I greet you all. Today I'm going to update you about Kaizer Chiefs coach Nasreddine Nabi. Nasreddine Nabi will only stay at Kaizer Chiefs if the Mtaungis gave him the tools to succeed. Soccer updates about Kaizer Chiefs. Nasreddine Nabi says, I still have a contract with Kaizer Chiefs and I believe that if the club wants to continue with me, give me the tool to succeed. There is no reason to leave, even if I could find somewhere else to go. But I respect this club, and I want to continue with this club, Nabi said. As things stand, Amakhosi will compete in 4 competitions next season. So, if you want more information about Kaizer Chiefs updates, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can keep you updated.